Hello everyone, welcome to our class 11 accounting session. In today's video, we are going to begin with a chapter 1 accounting and its technology. This is a very important chapter because it is the foundation for all your future accounting study. So make sure you are listen carefully and get started. I am happy to begin with chapter number 1 of class 11 accountancy. I know many students feel accountancy is very tough. But I know students feel accountancy very tough, but trust me, I will explain everything in the easiest way with the example. So let's get started. So in this chapter we'll learn about the accounting and its terms used in it. This is the first chapter of 11th accountancy. It's the foundation for all the future topics. So I will understanding in this video is the introductions of accounting and meaning of accounting and characteristics of accounting and objective of accounting. So let's start it about what is accounting. Accounting is a major term. Accounting is the old trade itself. When people started exchange goods and service, they felt the need to keep record. Let's as money come into use, it's become more important. Luca is secretly called the father of the accounting because he developed the double entry system. So, first off, accounting is old as human civilizations. Barter system led to the development of monetary economy. Accounting involves a support economy and business needs. So, I will also understand this is the first father of accounting is Luca is the 1494. In the ancient time, for do people do the is on where to recorded and intensely exciting the universe. Human being the intellectual animal, and human being has a different lifestyle. A style related to with social, religions, economics needs. To fulfill their needs has to take a support of other people. Every individual has one institution, skills and dimensions. Every individual extends his skill with other individuals in the society. Every individual gives a benefit of their personal skill to other and takes benefit to other skill due to his own limitations. In these fashions, as individual meets his own needs. The second is the barter system was previously in economy due to the absence of the money as a medial exchange. In this system, product was exchanged against the product or product was exchanged against the service. The farmer has gained and he needs the cloth. So who has a cloth in the needs the gains. In this case, both the parties use the fulfillment their needs by the exchange of the product. In this barter system, product or service was used in exchange to purchase another product or service. Barter system had practical limitations. Due to the limitation, barter system is a need was the emergent for the mediums for exchange would be acceptable to all. In presently time, the money in use the middle of the exchange. You also knowing about the money is the exchange, the middle of the. Though in the previous time, the coins, currency notes, now even the plastic currency is used in the from the money. For such system where the money is used as the middle of exchange, it is known as the monetary economy. Under this system, by selling product, money is produced and for acquired money, product is purchased and thus it's be said the product purchase money and money purchase product. It's very simple. It is currently I will pay the money to purchase anything of the product service, so I will pay the money. So social and economic need are changing with time and requirement, like legal medical, engineering, science subject accounting has emerged assistant social activities of the society. For ancient time, accounting system prevailed in one or another way. Indian history have described the common of the explained the access and the significance of the accounting. Western historians have given credit of the same to the mathematician named Mr. Luca Pacioli for Italian. There are several opinions about origin of accounting, but for use and significance, common practical prevail across the world. Due to individual evaluations and explanations of business trade activity, the use and significance of accounting has increased day by day. Before acquiring information of accounting, let us acquire the primary knowledge of the accounting. Account in normal terms are recorded of the receipt and the payment as well as of the income and expenditure. So I will also understand the introductions about all the accounting was to be in the past time what I do that and what is presently I will do that. So you heard about the this what is the accounting. So now I will step forward the meaning of the accounting. What is accounting? Accounting is present in the form defined by different accounting professor bodies. On the basis of definitions, the concept of the accounting can be understood following definitions. I already read it. Accounting is an art of recording, classifying, and summarizing in the significant manner and term of money, transactions, and events which are in the part of the financial character and interpreting the result of the theory. So in this I will also clear up the what is accounting. The accounting is equal to recording, classification, summarizing, interpreting is the accounting. The first of what I do that recording. You purchase anything, you are sells anything, so first record the test. Sales, record the purchasing, and the classify. Classify means the purchase item in the purchase box, sales item in the first sales box, and summarizing and interpreting the what is the ending of the year, what I lost year, any profit, what I do that in our companies in our industry business. Help in the tracking income, expense, and profit and loss. I give you one example of the example is that the good purchase for the 10,000 expenses the 2,000 sold for the 15,000, so profit is 300. This is also about this. This is accounting meaning. Remember it, the first of the accounting is recording, classification, summarizing, and interpreting something is right. And also very useful term is transactions event are made in financial character is made in also financial character is the first of the finance, and otherwise are not recorded, not classification, not anyone. This is recorded only the financial term or for the measure of the money, term of the money. And second is the characteristics of the accounting. The first characteristics of the accounting is the financial character is what is a financial character is I will also tell you. The transactions raw event which are recorded in accounting must be measured in account value, like that 10,000 kg of the chemicals purchased. This is a term of financial character, is a term of money. It is very important. The value of the purchase has to be determined in the term of money. This chemical is purchased for 20,000, which have means the 10 kg. The term of money is the 20,000. Exchange of the chemical 10,000. This is very important. Rupee is a money. Transaction made through the money is known as economical transaction. and this transaction has the financial character. And second character is the medium of the exchange, use of money transactions. It is very non-knowable character is transactions raw event recorded in accounting come into the existence through the use of money. You know that money as an exchange will be received by seller from 10 kg of chemicals sold. By this money he can purchase any other product, raw service. Let's understand the transactions of the seller. First term, seller has a 10 kilogram chemicals, sales of chemicals 20,000. It is the money which thousands 20. 20,000 is the money and purchase of any commodity of service to 20,000. The product or service anybody. So thus interest having the exchange of the product or service against the product. Now the product is exchanged against the money. Subsequently, money is converted into the product service in the manner money become medium of the exchange any transactions or event. So money is the middle of the transactions. And the third character is classifications. Classifications and analysis of transactions. In accounting, different types of transactions are recorded. Their transactions are made in cash from non-cash from. Their transactions are performed in income, expense, assets, liability based on activities. Their transactions are classified and analysis on the basis of their nature, which derive from debit-credit rules of accounting. Due to characteristics of the classifications and analysis transactions, the prescribed time can be seen together to one class. What was opening balance of asset? How many assets were purchased? How many assets were sold? What is the closing balance of the asset? Answer all their questions are the obtained become of the classifications and analysis. This is the classifications of the accounting. The simple second line is I will remember the classification is based on the nature, income, expense, assets, etc. So what the first step is the interpretations. In accounting, only account are not prepared, but after account prepared is per the prescribed novel, they are also interpreted on the base of the disclosed details and figures. When blood pressure of the person's measured in the terms of the 120 to 18 indicate that the person is healthy from viewpoint of the blood pressure. In these interpretations, in accounting, interpretations can be done from the accounting prepared. Total income 20,000 and total expense 12,000. The difference between the 8,000 it is actually the income over the expense. These is indicate the person definition from the transactions or different income expense in these from the benefit. You can understand what is this the breakdown. This is benefit. 20,000 is our income and the 12,000 is our expense. So the difference is the 8,000. So it is our benefit. This is the interpretations. The manner transaction record in the accounting can be interpreted and their result can be understood. It is very very important. The interpret analysis of the financial data. It is a very. It is this is. I will tell you in a single term. It is a very. Remember it. It is a key term. The financial character is meant measurable money. And second, middle of exchange means use of money and transaction. And third is classification, means classification based on the natural income, expense, and asset. And fourth is the interpretation. What is the interpretation? Interpretations mean analysis of the financial data. And last characteristic of accounting is the quantitative information. This is very very important. The quantitative informations. Quantitative informations means informations recorded in accounting monetary form. So information is known in the quantitative. It means numbers, measurable, 1, 2, 3, comparable. Okay, this is very very easy for you. The next slide is that this is the example. The seller has 10 kg chemicals sold for pizza. Also, I also give you this example, and I hope you understand very well. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you understand this concept of the accounting and terminology. If you found this helpful, so please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon for the future updates.